Welcome to today's lesson on real numbers and linear inequalities. Real numbers include all rational numbers, such as integers and fractions, as well as irrational numbers like the square root of 2 and pi. Together they form the complete number line with no gaps. The absolute value of a real number x, written as the absolute value of x, gives the distance of x from 0 on the number line. It is equal to x when x is greater than or equal to 0, and negative x when x is less than 0. For example, the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. A linear inequality looks like a linear equation, but uses an inequality sign instead of an equals sign. The four inequality symbols are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. For example, 2x plus 3 is greater than 7. To solve a linear inequality, we use the same steps as solving an equation with one crucial rule. When we multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, we must reverse the direction of the inequality sign. For example, if negative x is greater than 3, then x is less than negative 3. Let us solve a complete example. Solve 2x plus 3 is greater than 7. First subtract 3 from both sides to get 2x is greater than 4. Then divide both sides by 2 to get x is greater than 2. The solution set is all real numbers greater than 2, written as the open interval from 2 to infinity. A compound inequality combines two inequalities. For example, negative 1 is less than or equal to 2x minus 1, which is less than 5. We solve this by operating on all three parts simultaneously. Adding 1 everywhere gives 0 is less than or equal to 2x, which is less than 6. Dividing by 2 gives 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 3.